Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Wednesday, April 15th, 2020, and it is another day of distance learning. Let's start our day like we do every day in school by saying the Pledge of Allegiance. So please stand and put your hands on your heart and repeat after me. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated. All right, so today, hopefully you have already checked out our morning agenda, our learning agenda for the day. If you have not, please pause the video now and take some time to do that. All right, welcome back. If you just paused, we are going to go over our slides for today. Remember, please, the morning check-in is located on my morning to-do. I am no longer putting it in the parent email because it is here right on the slides that you should be using like they are your best friend. So here we have our message, sending you air hugs today. A hug as a noun means a tight embrace. As a verb, a hug can be defined as squeezing tightly in your arms with fondness or to fit closely. Hug is a word that has many words that rhyme with it. So your challenge today is, can you come up with at least 10 words? How many can we come up with together that rhyme with the word hug? So that is our morning message today, Wordy Wednesday. Give someone at home a super duper hug, and I am giving you air hugs virtually through our computer. Hugs. Moving on to our next slide. Today is also Spirit Week. Spirit Week Wednesday is to wear pajamas all day and cuddle with a pet or a stuffed animal as you read. I haven't gotten any pictures this week, so please, please, please send me pictures so I can do some shout outs for you guys. Maybe I will do pajama day tomorrow and post something in the shout outs as well. Just our daily agenda that's up every day. Today, we have that maybe you can do social studies. So let's take a look at our Wednesday. All right, here we have our read alouds for the week. Remember, these read alouds want to be done by Thursday because on Friday during the Zoom call, we will be reading chapter 19 live. After you have listened to the read alouds, make sure you are jotting down your ideas or answering the questions that I am giving you at the end of the video, and then leave your responses in Flipgrid. Lots of videos, lots of Winn-Dixie. We're almost at the end. Next, in reading today, you are going to be watching the video located here. Please make sure you are watching these videos before you are doing any of your work. These are like our mini lessons where you'll be at the carpet and I teach you, and then you go back and do your work. Think of it that way. You will use your graphic organizer from yesterday, either if you did it on Google Classroom or if you did it and printed it out. Today's task is for you to focus on at least one subtopic and take notes on that subtopic. You'll see here I have a sample of my subtopic for penguins. We have a subtopic for body, and then I showed you all of my notes on body. Our notes should be in a sentence type format. It should not be one sentence, one word. Also, I've included the class code that a couple of you keep asking for EPIC. In case you forget what your animal is, here they are located on our next slide. Hopefully by now you know your animal. As usual, an optional activity is for you to read independently. Always good to do to keep in mind of those characters. And the last thing that you need to do for today that is not optional is to make sure you do your math. Once again, please make sure you look at our videos. This is like a mini lesson, to repeat myself. You have to watch this to make sure you're doing all of the things that are expected before you go into the slides and before you do your inventory sheet. One thing, you guys did a much better job yesterday with putting your answers on this paper. Now make sure you're not just your answers, but also your work. So taking everything that we do in school and doing it on that sheet. But you're doing a great job and keep it up. As always, we have science that is optional. And then today's national holiday is National Laundry Day. So choose a way to celebrate if you would like. Maybe you can help out your families with laundry. I was thinking about maybe reorganizing my closet because it's getting a little bit warmer outside. So maybe switching my winter to my spring clothes. I know a lot of us like to draw, so maybe you can design an outfit. I thought that'd be pretty cool. Share your ideas on Flipgrid and can't wait to look at them. So that is our Wednesday schedule. I hope that these videos are helping you organize your day and understand what is expected for our assignments. Please remember to send me pictures of your math assignments. I'm not a mind reader as much as sometimes I wish I was, but I don't know if you do your work unless you send it to me or share it with me if it is not posted on Google Classroom. If it is on Google Classroom, you do not need to share it with me. It is automatically due me. So have a great day, keep being awesome, and shine bright. Bye, boys and girls.